Hi guys, hello, welcome back to Rosso Model channel, the finish line, yes, tam ta ta tam tam tam, yes, amazing project, I love it so much people, yes, and I'm so excited because I need to pack everything here and build a new lab, and you will see all the parts of how I made it, and I will try to do my best to show you what I do in here. Let's make the closer look, the turntable to this amazing car, Porsche Carrera 911 GT3 RS. Wow, long name, but excellent car, and I love it so much. For the people that join me on Instagram, you can see the Ferrari build, the F8 Review 2, also by Alpha Model. Amazing kit. I built it around a month ago, and you will see it now on Instagram. For the people that don't follow me on Instagram, now is good time to start. And also on the club, people, join to the club. I all the time say you will see different things and a wonderful project over there, so it's up to you to decide. Try it for 1 month, and after that decide if continue or not. If it's boring you, don't go. If you like me and you like my style and you like my build, so I believe that you will do it. So let's take a closer look and enjoy with me with the music, and I will try to explain what I'm doing here, okay? So let's start. Hi guys, hello, how are you today? Do you remember this amazing build? We already finished the end result of this amazing car, guys. It's look fantastic. Alpha Model kits, very on the heels. They improve a lot on building the models and making the cast of the racing, and it's look fantastic, and you can see the result. Amazing car with amazing look. All the things look very good and nice and clean. I use a GT Silver by Zero Paint, and as you can see, we have also the license plate of this car, the owner of the car. It's amazing. It's a good friend, and I love to build for him cars. It's not the first one that I build for him, and I really appreciate the invest that he put on me. So for the people that want to build this kit, I can say a lot of things about it, and if you see the fully video of all the build from part 1 to part 10, I believe that you succeed to make it like that and even better, because in the end of the day, this video helps to you to make one more thing that I miss, or something that you see and want to improve. And it's very nice and cool. That's why I make this video, for the people that think about to buy Alpha Model kits and want to improve and make it better. So this is my build. This is a replica for the real car. You can see the photo over there. This is the real car, and she look amazing. I love so much this car, and I think this is the most nice Porsche. I also built one in the club, a Carrera GT. I love it. It's iconic car, and I built it with the Gimbal Mirage by Geronimo Transkit, and it's fantastic, guys. This is our hobby. This is our love, and you will see the result, and you can choose the color and paint with anything that you want. Alpha Model give you a decals that make it better with a different color, and also the stripes of the GT3 RS over there, the decals. You can change it from orange or green or black. I think this is the color that they give us, and also you can make a custom decals and make this car look even better. So people, I'm really excited to say it, but this is our last project in this lab, and my lab going to be the lab of the year. And remember that I told you this, the lab of the year. If people ask you how you think the lab should look like, you will show them my lab, my new lab. I think it's take a couple of months to prepare everything, but it's going to be crazy with all the high stuff and high quality tools with the 3D printers and many more cool stuff. So, love you so much, people. Enjoy the music, see it spinning for different angle, and see you on the next video next month, maybe 2 months, but I know that you will wait for the next video because it's very interesting video will be. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a good day with Rostam Model Channel. Bye bye guys, enjoy.